Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can remove debit card from Venmo. So let's dive in. Start by launching the Venmo app on your mobile device. You'll recognize it by its blue icon with a white V right in the center. Once the app opens, you'll land on the home screen. Next, take a look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your personal account settings and activity feed. Now, look to the top right corner and tap on the gear icon. This will open your main settings menu. From here, scroll through the list of options until you see Payment Methods. This section displays all the bank accounts, debit cards, and credit cards you've added to your Venmo account. Browse through the list until you find the debit card that you want to remove. Once you find it, tap on the arrow icon or the card itself to view more details. On the next screen, you'll see a red button labeled Remove. Tap that button. Venmo will then pop up a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to delete this card. Just tap the blue Remove Card button, and that's it. In just a second or two, your screen will refresh and the debit card will no longer be listed under your payment methods. Don't worry if you ever need to add the card back. You can easily do so by returning to the Payment Methods section and selecting Add Bank or Card.